Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do a monthly reading for the month of November 2025 for Taurus. Okay, so this is a general reading, guys. So, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. In this reading, we will see the overall energy for the month, key challenges and obstacles, actions or advice we have for you. What is the strength, what are the strengths and opportunities, and the probable outcome. At the end, we will also take some guiding messages from the angel and ancestors deck, so please do stay till the end. Okay, so let's start the reading for Taurus for November 2025. The overall energy for Taurus for November 2025. What's the overall energy for Taurus? What's the overall energy for Taurus for November 2025? Wow. Why this came out? Okay, let's see. What is happening, Taurus? Dealing with so much, is it? Let's see what's the overall energy for Taurus for November 2025. See? Wow. No coincidence. This card wanted to come. Wow, great. Alright. As I said, dealing with a lot, huh? Let's see. Let's see what are the key challenges or obstacles we have for you. What are the key challenges or obstacles we have for Taurus? Okay. Please clarify Knight of Cups. Please clarify Knight of Cups. Please clarify Knight of Cups. Please clarify Knight of Cups as the key challenge for Taurus in November 2025. Please clarify Knight of Cups as the challenge for Taurus in November. Wow. Emotions. Dealing with emotions. Okay. Let's see what's the action or advice we have for you, Taurus, in November 2025. Key challenges or obstacles. Sorry. Action or advice. Action or advice we have for Taurus. What's the action or advice we have for Taurus in November 2025? Okay. Alright. Please clarify the Sun card as the action or advice. Wow. Both the major arcana cards. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let's see what are the strengths and opportunities we have for you, Taurus. Okay, my card flipped. One more. Wow, so many cards are flipping. Let's take the three. All the three we'll take. Okay. What's the outcome? Probable outcome. Please clarify Four of Wands as the probable outcome for Taurus. Good energies, basically, I'm seeing. But yes. Alright. So the overall energy is, somewhere for it can be in different aspects of your life, Taurus. So see how you connect with it. You will be in this energy of not able to see clearly, and because of that, आप decision नहीं ले पाओगे. Okay, you will not be able to see clearly, think clearly, and not able to decide. And basically, your heart chakra is blocked, and because of that, you might be feeling left out, lonely, not understood, feeling of there is lack of love, care, concern, and yeah, it's like the things are blocked. I'm not able to solve the problem. I'm not able to think clearly. I'm not able to see clearly, and that is why I'm not able to decide anything. Okay, that is what the energy is. Okay, let's see. The obstacles or challenges is, somewhere I feel that, you need to work on your emotions when it comes to expressing it. Okay, I am getting it that For some of you, it can be for very few of you, you are planning to communicate something. It can be a love communication, it can be a communication in your workplace, it can be something which is somewhere bothering you, and because of that, you're not able to decide whether to move on or take the next step or stay in that situation. ओके, सो यू नीड टू टेक दैट स्टेप विच आप बहुत प्लान कर रहे होगे, आप बहुत यू आर प्लानिंग द कम्युनिकेशन इन योर हेड, दिस इज हाउ मैं ऐसे बात कर सकता हूँ, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, मैं ऐसे कम्युनिकेशन स्टार्ट कर सकता हूँ, आई कैन अप्रोच इन दिस वे. सो यू आर एक्चुअली प्लानिंग थिंग्स बट आप स्टेप नहीं ले रहे हो. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम इज. हो सकता है आपको स्टेप लेने में आप थोड़ा और टाइम लो, because there is this energy of not able to decide मैं अभी step लूँ या मैं थोड़ा और wait करूँ, shall I wait for the right time or is this the right time, उस तरह की energy है. It can be like expressing your emotions, expressing your love to someone. You might be waiting or seeing the person from afar and not actually working on your communication with that person, not expressing your love, not expressing your emotions to the person. In your workplace, there is something you want to speak out, you want to discuss, but you are not doing it because you are waiting for the right time. And since you are waiting for the right time, you are not able to think whether I should do it now or I should wait for even things to get better. Okay, it can be in any areas of your life, but that is what the energy is. And because of that, because of not able to take the step forward, you are feeling, when will things become better, when will this issue will sort out, when will I have that happiness, when will I feel that fulfilling energy when it comes to emotional fulfillment, emotional satisfaction, emotional connection, emotional bond. Okay, so there is this lack in that. For some of you, I see that you need to also work on creating boundaries. हो सकता है आप अपने emotions, अपने फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप अपने जो भी आपके मन में चल रहा है, आप बहुत ट्रस्ट करके, बहुत इनोसेंटली आप किसी और से शेयर कर देते हो, एंड द पर्सन इज नॉट creating boundaries and somewhere disrespecting your intentions or your emotions or the things you are going through or the issues you are facing, वो उस चीज को समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं. So you need to create the boundaries. Okay, you need to understand what is that you will accept from other people and what is that you will not. Okay, if there is a need to say no, you need to learn to say no and create the boundaries. Okay, so that is what I'm getting for you. Okay, now let's see what are the actions or advice we have for you. So you need to, you don't have to wait anymore. Okay, whatever you want to work on, you will get success in it. आप जो भी maybe in your workplace, for example, अगर आप अपने workplace पे बात करना चाह रहे हो, आप next step लेना चाह रहे हो, आप नए project के लिए आपको hire किया गया है, you are given a new role, a new responsibilities, so you have to don't have to doubt yourself, rather you need to grab it and you will get the success in it, because you are good in managing things and there is a growth coming in, there is a good news coming in. So whatever it is holding you back, you need to drop that fear, you need to put your guards down and you need to take that step which you have been waiting for so long, and you will get the success, because this is a sun card and it's a rise star cards. Basically I call it a rising star. Okay, so there is a growth coming in. maybe for example आप वर्क लाइफ में आप थोड़ा सा अगर आपके पास एडिशनल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, सो आप थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग आपको लग सकता है बैलेंस करने में, बट यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट. Okay, you will be able to overcome the challenge, you will be able to overcome the obstacle, and you will come out with the bright colors, with the shine and with that success, with that confidence. Okay, so don't be afraid, rather take the step, take that opportunity and work on it. You will get the success. You need to take the step and work towards it. You have the support of the universe and the things are working good in your favor, turning out to be good in your favor, because then we have the strength and opportunity, the ace of pentacles. You are being given the opportunity by the universe. Your finances may be growing, your hard work will be rewarded. Okay, आपको अभी लग रहा होगा कि वर्क बहुत ज्यादा है बट रिवॉर्ड्स कम है. ओके, सो इट्स लाइक यू आर गेटिंग द रिवॉर्ड. यू डोंट हैव टू गिव अप, रादर you have to be passionate towards your work, have that fiery energy, have that attitude of go getter, and be fearless. Okay, overcome your fears, whatever it is, and you will get the success. Okay, you will get the rewards for your hard work. Universe has the support. Universe is giving you new opportunities, and your rewards will be given to you. Okay, so it's there at the back end. You are not able to see it as of now, but it's there. It's coming to fruition. Okay, so don't rush, don't give up. Keep working with that fiery energy, and wait for your results. It's like, wait for your turn to come, right? So it's wait for your results to come. It's already there. You are not able to see it, but it's already there. You are definitely going to get it. Okay, now the probable outcome is, there is this energy of celebration. Okay, there is this energy of getting success. There is this energy of meeting people. Maybe people, आप जिस भी उसमें हो, situation में हो, maybe there is a celebration. People will cheer for you. There is also this energy of, अगर आप किसी को, आप, if you're waiting for expressing your emotions, conveying your love to someone, there are very good chances that it will turn out to be positive, and there you will take your relation to the next level. And also you will be planning different things. Okay, and because of thinking a lot, over analyzing, overthinking, you will be strategizing a lot. You will be thinking different scenarios in your mind. Because of that, you may uh, cut yourself off from the crowd. Okay, for some of you, that is what I am getting. You may be overthinking, you may be over analyzing things, and because of that you may not sleep. But you don't have to overthink. Rather, the growth is in your way, success is in your way, celebration is in your way. So you don't have to overthink everything and just kill the fun of everything. You don't have to be in that energy, be in that zone. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. It's a good reading, guys. Just you have to come out of this energy of not able to decide. Do some meditation. Okay, take some time out with yourself, spend some time with yourself, and you will be able to see things clearly. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Now let's see what's the guiding message we have for you. Okay, be brave and honest. See, again, he's also with the sword and she's also with the sword. So you have to be brave and honest. You need to listen to your instinct. What is that your soul is trying to say? And be brave enough, be have that courage enough to decide and take the action for your own good, for your own growth. That is what the message is. So even if the decisions can be a bit challenging, the decisions can be a bit painful bhi ho sakta hai for some of you, but you don't have to give up. You have to be brave enough to move ahead towards your growth, towards your success, towards your passion with that fearless energy, and you will get the success. It's like when you are in your comfort zone, you don't get the growth. You need to come out of your comfort zone to see growth and progress. Okay, so that is what the message here is basically. Okay, so that's a beautiful reading, guys. So please do claim the positive energy from this reading, and if you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.